Did you know that a simple lack of sunshine could be affecting your health in ways you might never expect? Vitamin D, famously known as the sunshine vitamin, is crucial for our bones, immune defenses, and even mental well-being. But despite its importance, millions of people are unknowingly low on this essential vitamin. And here's the kicker: vitamin D deficiency often comes with symptoms that are so bizarre, you'd never connect them to a lack of sunlight. From mysterious aches to unexpected mood shifts, we're about to reveal 11 unusual signs that could mean you're missing out on vitamin D. 1. Bone pain and weakness. One of the most common but often overlooked signs of vitamin D deficiency is bone pain. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, a mineral crucial for strong bones. Without enough vitamin D, bones can become weak and brittle, causing pain or discomfort, particularly in the lower back, hips, and legs. This symptom is often misdiagnosed as age-related aches or other conditions, but it's worth considering vitamin D deficiency as a possible cause, especially in those who spend little time outdoors. 2. Fatigue and low energy. Feeling constantly tired or lacking energy can be another symptom of vitamin D deficiency. Research has shown that low vitamin D levels are linked to chronic fatigue, which may be due to the vitamin's role in supporting cellular energy production. If you find yourself unusually fatigued, even after a good night's sleep, it may be worth checking your vitamin D levels. 3. Depression and mood changes. Vitamin D plays a key role in regulating mood, and a deficiency can lead to feelings of sadness or even clinical depression. The vitamin helps produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of well-being and happiness. Low levels of serotonin can lead to depressive symptoms, especially during the winter months when sunlight exposure is limited. Studies have found that supplementing with vitamin D can improve mood, particularly in those with seasonal affective disorder, SID. 4. Hair loss. Hair loss can be a surprising symptom of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is involved in the hair follicle cycle, and a lack of it can lead to premature hair shedding. Severe deficiency has even been linked to alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition that causes hair loss. While many factors can cause hair loss, vitamin D deficiency is one that's often overlooked. 5. Muscle weakness and cramps. Muscle weakness and cramps are other unusual symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium and phosphate in the body, which are necessary for muscle contractions. Without enough vitamin D, muscles may become weak, leading to cramps or spasms. People often report feeling muscle soreness and weakness in the thighs and upper arms, which can be especially problematic for older adults and may increase the risk of falls. 6. Slow wound healing. If you find that cuts and scrapes take longer to heal than usual, it could be a sign of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is crucial for immune function and inflammation control, which are essential for wound healing. It promotes the production of compounds that form new skin, so insufficient levels can slow down the healing process. For people with diabetes, this symptom is particularly concerning, as they are already prone to slower wound healing. 7. Increased susceptibility to infections. Vitamin D is essential for a strong immune system, helping the body fight off viruses and bacteria. A deficiency can lead to a weakened immune response, making you more susceptible to infections. People with low vitamin D levels are more prone to respiratory infections, such as colds, flu, and even pneumonia. This is especially important during colder months, when sunlight exposure is limited, and colds and flu are more prevalent. 8. Dizziness and balance issues. Low levels of vitamin D can sometimes lead to dizziness or balance issues. This symptom is often seen in older adults, who are already at a higher risk for vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D plays a role in the functioning of the vestibular system, which controls balance. Chronic low levels can lead to dizziness or vertigo, increasing the risk of falls. If you experience unexplained dizziness, it might be worth checking your vitamin D levels. 9. Cognitive impairment. Vitamin D has neuroprotective properties, meaning it helps protect brain cells and cognitive function. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to cognitive impairment, such as memory issues, difficulty concentrating, and brain fog. Studies have shown that people with low vitamin D levels may be at a higher risk of developing dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Cognitive symptoms may seem subtle at first, but could become more severe over time if the deficiency isn't addressed. 10. Dental problems. Vitamin D deficiency can also affect your oral health. This vitamin helps regulate calcium, which is necessary for strong teeth and bones. Without adequate vitamin D, you may experience dental problems like cavities, tooth decay, or even gum disease. This is particularly concerning for young children and older adults, whose bones and teeth are more vulnerable. Dental health issues could be an early sign of a deficiency, especially if they occur alongside other symptoms. 11. Sweating, especially on the head. Excessive sweating, particularly on the forehead, is an unusual but common symptom of vitamin D deficiency. Many people with low vitamin D levels report sweating more than usual, especially on the head and face. This symptom is often one of the first signs, as vitamin D is essential for maintaining stable body temperatures. If you find that you're sweating more than normal without any clear cause, it could be worth checking your vitamin D levels. If you suspect you have a vitamin D deficiency, the first step is to consult a healthcare provider who can measure your vitamin D levels through a blood test. If a deficiency is confirmed, there are several ways to increase your vitamin D levels. Aim to spend about 15 to 30 minutes in direct sunlight a few times a week, especially during midday. However, this may vary depending on skin type, age, and location. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin D such as salmon, mackerel, eggs, and fortified dairy products. Though food sources alone may not provide enough, they can be a helpful addition.